Today we're reviewing the Royal Kludge M3 gaming mouse, which comes packaged in a clean red and black box. Inside the box is the mouse itself. Next is the USB-C dongle. You also get a braided USB-C charging cable, a set of stickers, and the user manual. The dongle does its job, but if you use more than one Royal Kludge device, each one still needs its own receiver. Unlike a traditional receiver, this one has a female USB-C port and connects through a cable. It's not the mainstream design, but it works and gives you flexibility for positioning on your desk. A single unifying dongle would be much more practical. The stickers need to be applied manually on the underside. Personally, I'd prefer them pre-applied at the factory for a cleaner finish. On the bottom, there's a mode switch to toggle between Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired connections. Right beside it is a DPI and pairing button for quick adjustments without needing software. A decent-sized ergonomic design that fills the hand comfortably. It's shaped for everyday use in gaming. The standout here is the weight, just 47 grams. That makes it one of the lightest gaming mice available. Personally, I would have liked an adjustable weight option or just a bit more heft for stability, but that comes down to preference. The M3 offers 3 ways to connect. Bluetooth, best for low-power use, 2.4 GHz wireless, which keeps latency low, USB-C wired, which also charges the mouse while you use it. The main clicks are sharp and consistent, with a satisfying feel. The 2 side buttons are positioned well and are easy to hit without misclicking. The M3 uses a modern optical sensor with precise tracking. Movement feels smooth and accurate, with no noticeable lag even during quick flicks or fast scrolling. It runs on a 650 mAh battery, which lasts long enough for extended work or gaming sessions. If the battery runs low, you can just plug it in and keep using it without interruption. Royal Kludge provides an online driver that lets you remap buttons, set DPI levels, adjust polling rate. It's functional and covers the basics. The downside is that the mouse and keyboard each require separate software, instead of one unified app for all Royal Kludge gear. The Royal Kludge M3 is a lightweight, practical mouse with tri-mode connectivity, accurate tracking, and long battery life. Its design makes it quick and effortless to move, though I personally would have liked the option for more weight adjustment. It's not without quirks. The dongle design is unusual, the stickers feel unnecessary, and the software isn't unified. But overall, it's a technically solid mouse that works well for both gaming and everyday tasks. And if you're interested in pairing this mouse with a mechanical keyboard, check out the link to my review of the RKS98 mechanical keyboard in the video description. Thanks for watching!